Zhujiang City, Jinding Food Machinery Company Limited, SUMPOT, built in 2001. SUMPOT is the top manufacturer for food sterilization equipment in China. We offer various types of batch retorts and automatic canning and pouch loading/unloading lines. Our new factory covers an area of 54,000 square meters. It has more than 200 professional workers. Registration capital reaches 30 million. The company has formed a complete operating system integrating raw material supply, product development, product design, experimental design, finished product inspection, storage and transportation, and technical services. In recent years, SUMPOT Company has developed steadily and the turnover has increased year by year. At present, our retort machines have obtained multiple certifications and are sold to such as around 90+ countries: Europe, North America, Malaysia, Russia, India, Philippines, South Korea, Vietnam, and other countries and regions, and also have obtained a series of product and performance invention patents. With strict quality control, 24-hour after-sales service, and continuous innovation of new products, SUMPOT Company has created our trustworthy retort autoclaves and is favored by market and highly appreciated by peers. As an industry leader and industry standard maker, SUMPOT has been focusing and dedicating to excellent food retort autoclave manufacturing. Our company is to do one thing with your heart: to do products with ingenuity, to do services with kindness, to escort food safety, build a firewall for food safety, and guard safety on the tip of the tongue.